We want to solve the linear inequality given here. In many ways, this is the same as solving a linear equation. If we begin with the 4 minus 5x is less than or equal to 9, adding 5x to both sides gives 4 is less than or equal to 9 plus 5x. If we then subtract 9 from both sides, we get minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x, and dividing both sides by 5 gives minus 1 is less than or equal to x. The open side faces the x, so this is x is greater than or equal to minus 1. An alternative approach to this would be to start with the 4 minus 5x is less than or equal to 9 and subtract 4 from both sides, giving minus 5x is less than or equal to 5. Dividing both sides by minus 5 then gives x on the left minus 1 on the right, and the inequality sign reverses. This is something that we need to remember. If we divide or multiply by a negative number, we have to reverse the direction of the inequality sign. Remembering this can be avoided by taking this approach and making sure the number of x's is always positive.